Hi, hello, and welcome to Toys Unlocked. Today we are opening day 13 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. For a second, I thought we were going to be building a horseshoe on top of a baby bottle, but let's find out more. Alright, not a horseshoe and not a baby bottle. Instead, we are building a little tiny waffle maker and some tiny waffles. Pretty exciting stuff. And we are making another table in the same translucent pink and creamy aqua as we did the other day. So we get to have two of them. I guess it's like the color scheme maybe for the advent calendar, and it kind of makes me wish that Emma was wearing pajamas in these colors. But I guess we can't have everything, and not everything needs to color coordinate, and I should just calm down and build my striped table and like it. Which I really, really do. This, again, is such an unexpected color combination, but I'm here for it. I'm feeling it. Look how cute that is. It's like peppermint gone Lego Friends. Okay, now we need a jar of Nutella and a little bottle of maybe strawberry syrup. Not a baby bottle, because why would we have that with waffles? And a plate for our waffles to go on. Oh, I love tiny things. And look at this waffle piece. Is that not the cutest waffle you've ever seen? It even has a little strawberry on it, which is how I know the brown jar is Nutella. You have to have Nutella with strawberry waffles. It's the law. I don't make the law. I just follow it. And now we have to build the teeny tiny waffle maker. Oh my gosh, it has a hinged piece that actually moves. And I'm way too excited about this. Oh, look how adorable. Okay, now let's put the batter in there, and then you close the lid, and you make the little waffle imprints, and I'm screaming, not, externally, but on the inside I'm screaming, because this is so cute. Do we have another waffle piece? Yeah, look at that. Emma can now make some waffles, and, of course, we have to have Holly in here to eat them as well. Maybe they're making waffles for Christmas morning. Ah! And there's Clarence. Okay guys, this was the cutest build. I'm so excited about it, like really, really excited. I think this one is a lot of fun, cool pieces, cool prints, lots of playability. I hope you'll come by tomorrow. Will we have another table to build? Time will tell. All right, friends, until we build again, bye.